Hello guys, welcome back. Over here right now is my payment proof of 1817.46 TRS, okay, and this is equivalent to $132.53, okay. So this payment was sent to me today, okay, around 9:41 p.m. and the payment status is completed, okay. So I received this TRX from a TRS site, okay, and I got this TRX almost for free, okay. So in this video I'll be guiding you guys step by step on how I was able to make this amount of TRX with the help of one single website, okay. So please be sure to watch this video to the end and don't skip any part of this video. This channel I make videos on how to make money online, especially with cryptocurrency. So if you enjoy making money online with crypto, do subscribe, and when subscribing guys, do make sure your notification bell is turned on, okay, so that YouTube can notify you anytime a new video is being published to this channel. Today I will be withdrawing this TRX that I have here. This is over 1817 TRX, okay, and I will also be showing you guys how this website fully works, okay. So please be sure to watch this video to the end, and please do make sure you do not skip any part of this video to see how this website fully works, okay. So the website today is trx.capital, and you will get the link to sign up in this video's description box, okay. So once you click on the link guys, it will take you to the sign up page whereby you have to sign up. All right, so first of all guys, let's go ahead and withdraw, okay. After that I will show you guys how the website works, okay. So let's go ahead and let us withdraw. All right, so to withdraw, just click on this withdraw button here. All right, so once you click on withdraw, they have the basic account, all right, and they have the promotional account, okay. So this basic account now is where the profit that you made from your own investment is being kept, okay. You can see that I have over 55 TRX for withdrawal here in my basic account, and this is because I have only invested a total of 2,200 TRX, okay. And for investing these 2,200 TRX here, I'll be getting a profit of 2.5%, okay. So let me show you 2,200, and let us check the 2.5%, and you can see that it is equivalent to 55 TRS, okay. So that's what I'm basically getting every single day from this site, and I am withdrawing these 55 TRS from this site every single day, okay. But I know you might be wondering how I was able to get these 1,817 TRX. This is for free. I earned it from my referrals, okay. So that's why the word free was included in the title of this video, okay. So they have the promotional account, okay, and this promotional account now consists of the TRX that you earned from your referrals, okay. So this one is for free. I earned it for free just by inviting people, okay. But this one over here now, this 55 is the one that I made from my own investment. I'm making this 55 TRS every single day from this site, from my own investment, okay. So let's withdraw from my promotional account, okay. So to withdraw, I'll have to enter the amount which I want to withdraw here. I'll be withdrawing a start of 1,817.46, and I'll be getting my TRX address, okay. So I'll be getting my TRX address from Trust Wallet. All right, let's use Trust Wallet this time, okay. So here we go. I'll be getting my Trust Wallet address here, okay. And over here now I just have to copy my address like this, and let's go back to the site, and I'll have to paste it here, okay. All right, and I'll have to enter my password also. All right, so you can see that I'm about to withdraw 1,817 TRX, okay, and this is, I'm withdrawing it to my Trust Wallet account, and here is my password, okay. So the next thing now is to just click confirm, and you can see withdraw success, okay. So right now I'll just have to go over to my Trust Wallet account to see if my payment has arrived, okay. You can see that my account balance here now is 0, but here in my basic account I still have 55 TRX, okay. So let's go back to my Trust Wallet account, and I'll have to refresh the page because their payment is instant, okay. So you can see that I now have over 1,822.41 TRX, okay, and here is the payment which I just received right now. All right, you can see that this payment was sent to me right now. Okay, so that is today around 9:41 p.m. being the time that I am recording this video. Okay, so the site is currently legit. Okay, so if you want to invest, just go ahead and invest, but first of all, watch this video to the end, because here I'll be guiding you step by step on how their investment plans fully works. Okay, but the main thing here is that you have seen my payment proof. All right, so let's go back to the site. All right, let's go back to the site. So right now, guys, so in order to make money with this site, guys, or in order to make TRX, there are basically two things you can do here. You can either earn by investing or earn by inviting your friends. Okay, so inviting your friends is free, but depositing requires investment. Okay, so in order to deposit, just click on deposit like this, and over here you have to just copy the address that is being given to you. But before you invest, I would like to let you know how much you'll be making as a profit for investing some specific amount of TRX. Okay, so if you invest at least 5 TRX to 29,000 TRX, you're making a profit of 2.5% every single day. Okay, and if you invest at least 30,000 to 199,000 TRX, you're making a profit of 3% every single day, and you can be withdrawing that 3% every single day. Okay, so if you invest up to 200,000 TRX, you can be withdrawing 4% of it every single day, and if you invest up to 500,000 TRX, you can be withdrawing, that is if you invest up to 500,000 TRX to 999,000 TRX here, you can be withdrawing 5% of it every single day. And if you invest from 1 million TRX and above, you can be withdrawing 8% of it every single day forever. Okay, so that's how it simply works. And take note, when investing, always invest what you can afford to lose, and always invest at your own risk. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so in order to invest, just copy the address that is being given to you and go over to your wallet. Okay, so I'll be investing using my Trust wallet account again. All right, so here I'll be pasting the wallet address here, which I copied from the site, and I'll be investing 100 TRX. Okay, because I have already invested over 2,200 TRX. Okay, and I'm making this video to remind you guys that this site is still paying. Okay, so I'll just have to click on continue, and take note, you can invest using any wallet of your choice. Okay, so here you can see that I'm about to invest 100 TRX. Okay, and I will just have to click on this confirm button. All right, and the 100 TRX will be sent to the site instantly. All right, so right now that I have just invested, let's go back to the site, and the next thing I'll have to do here right now, guys, is to just click on get the deposit amount. Once you have invested, click on get the deposit amount. Okay, and over here now you can see that my new account balance is over 2,300. So in case we are not able to see the TRX which you deposited here, all you have to do is to refresh your page as many times as possible, and if it keeps on saying the same thing, you just have to go back to your home page, click on deposit again. All right, and click on get the deposit amount. Once you have done that, click on this mine button again, and the TRX that you invested will just add up. Okay, so that's all you have to do. All right, so right now, guys, you have seen how their deposit system works and how much you're making as a profit for investing in this site. Okay, I will now show you how to refer your friends. Okay, so to refer, click on this share button. All right, and you'll be taken to this page. Okay, so over here now you will see your referral link, and all you have to do here is to copy your referral link and start inviting your friends. Okay, so they have a third level referral system which will enable you to earn from your level 1, level 2 and level 3 referrals. Okay, so when you refer someone now and that person makes a deposit, you'll be getting 10%, you'll be getting 5% of whatever your level 2 deposit, and also 2% of whatever your level 3 referrals invest or deposit. Okay, so that's how it simply works. So just copy your link and invite your friends via social media platforms, okay, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp and Telegram and others. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so any TRX that you earn from your referrals will be seen or kept here in your promotional wallet. Okay, and from here you can then withdraw it by entering your address, the amount, and your password. Okay, but here in your basic account is where the TRX that you made from your own investment is being kept. Okay, and you are required to withdraw any TRX that you see here every single day, that is every 24 hours. Okay, and you can see here now that I now have over 57.5 TRX in daily without limit. Okay, so this one is because I added up another 100 TRX, making it 2,300 TRX in total. Okay, so that's how it simply works. Go ahead and start earning from this site, and always invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so guys, I guess that is all for today. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe if you haven't. And when subscribing, do make sure your notification bell is turned on, okay, so that YouTube can notify you anytime a new video is being published to this channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Stay safe.